Hello viewer, welcome to Smarty channel. Today in this video I am going to show you a Vedic math trick by using which you can do division without using pen and paper. So let's start the session. So on the screen you can see I am dividing 77 with 5. So today I will show you how to divide numbers with 5. Okay, so the first step is you multiply 77 with 2. That is you have to double 77. So 77 into 2 is 154. Now from the right side you leave one digit and put a dot. So 15.4 is the required answer. So 77 divided by 5 is equal to 15.4. It's as simple as that. Now let us take a 3-digit number. 154 into 154 divided by 5. First you multiply 154 with 2. 154 into 2 is 308. 308. So now from right side you leave one digit and put a dot. So 154 divided by 5 is equal to 30.8. Okay, now let us take a 4-digit number. So, for example, I am taking 2342. I am dividing 2342 by 5. So, first you multiply 2342 with 2. So, 2342 into 2 is equal to 4684. 4684. Now, from the right side, you leave one digit and put a dot. So, 2342 divided by 5 is equal to 468.4. Now let us see the last example. 43,123 divided by 5. So 43,123 into 2 is equal to 86,246. So 86,246 is the result of multiplying 43,123 with 2. Now from the right side you leave one digit and put a dot. So 8,624.6 is the required answer. So 43,123 divided by 5 is equal to 8,624.6. So in this way you can multiply, in this way you can divide any number with 5, whether it's a 3-digit number or 4-digit number. So if you really like this video, so don't forget to like my video and share this video to your dear friends and colleagues. If you want me to come up with more such wonderful videos in future, so don't forget to press the bell icon and subscribe my channel. In future I will be coming with more such videos. Thank you for patiently watching this video till the end. Have a nice day and all the best for your future. Thank you.